My friend, let me ask you something very honestly. How many times have you decided, from tomorrow I will practice English, and then tomorrow becomes busy and practice does not happen? You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are just human. Life is busy, and many good plans are lost in our busy days. But what if I tell you something important? You do not need big time, big books, or big effort to improve your English. Just a few small moments in your day can slowly change the way you speak, think, and feel about English. Today, I want to share a very simple idea with you. It is not difficult, but if you follow it daily, it can change your confidence and your future. So relax, take a deep breath, and stay with me, because this small habit may become one of the best decisions of your English journey. Small habits, big change. My friend, today I want to talk about something very simple but very powerful. We all know that smoking and drinking are not good for our health. Doctors say it, our parents say it, even the people who smoke know it. These habits slowly damage the body. They work like slow poison. You may feel fine today, but day by day, little by little, these habits reduce your strength, your energy, and even your life. Now let me tell you something beautiful. In the same slow way, but in a positive way, daily English practice can change your life. Just like bad habits slowly harm us, good habits slowly build us. English becomes easy when it becomes your daily habit. Many people think they must study English for 2 or 3 hours every day. They think they must sit with big books and grammar rules. When they cannot do this, they feel sad and they stop trying. But real learning does not work like that. Real learning happens when English becomes part of your normal life, not something special only for study time. Think about how a smoker smokes. He does not smoke all cigarettes at one time. He does not say, "Today I will smoke 10 cigarettes in 1 hour." No, he smokes 1 cigarette, then he goes back to work. After some time, he smokes again. Small actions, many times a day. That is how habits are built. In the same way, you do not need to speak English for many hours at one time. You only need to speak a few sentences again and again during the day. Small moments, small practice, many times. Whenever you get a small break, speak a little English. Say what you are doing. Say what you are thinking. Say what you will do next. It does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be spoken. Slowly, this becomes your natural habit. Why speaking matters. Many learners say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." The reason is simple. They listen and read, but they do not speak. Speaking is a skill. If you do not practice speaking, your mouth will not open easily. You must train your mouth, just like you train your body in the gym. At first, you may feel shy. At first, you may feel foolish. At first, you may think, "What am I doing? I'm talking to myself." But this is how learning starts. Even babies talk to themselves before they speak clearly. At the end of the day, when you add all these small moments together, you may realize that you have spoken English for 1 hour or even more. You already have time in your day. You only need to create small spaces for English. Think about your tea or coffee breaks. You drink tea to refresh your body. In the same way, use that time to refresh your English. Talk about your work. Talk about your dreams. Talk about your day. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. If you do not speak, you will not improve. If you speak with mistakes, improvement will come naturally. Do not fear grammar. You did not speak perfect grammar in your mother language either. You learned slowly and naturally. English is not a subject. It is not an exam. It is a tool to communicate. So do not wait for perfect grammar. Start speaking to build better grammar. Drinking water example. We drink water many times a day. We do not drink 10 glasses at one time. We drink little by little whenever the body needs it. In the same way, speak English many times a day. Not once, not only in class, but again and again in small moments. Consistency creates confidence. Think about brushing your teeth. At first, someone reminded you. Now you do it automatically. English practice should become the same. Your full day is mostly in your native language, so create small English moments like small shadows in a desert. Rest there, practice there, move forward again. Even one sentence is enough. Shyness is normal. Mistakes are normal. If you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. First speak, then improve. Just like learning a bicycle, you fall, you rise, you learn. My friend, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to be regular. Speak small, but speak daily. Your fear will reduce. Your confidence will grow. Talk to yourself. Repeat sentences you hear. Avoid comparison. Focus on progress. Learning is a journey, not a race. Water your English habit every day. Even 1 minute matters. Instead of scrolling your phone, speak one sentence. That 1 minute can change your future. Build habits, not only motivation. Believe in yourself. You are growing. You are improving. You are moving forward. Speak today, speak tomorrow, and keep going. One day you will smile and say, "Yes, I can do this." Gentle reminders, strong habits. Okay, my friend, now I want to talk to you about something very real and very common. Sometimes in a busy day, we forget to speak in English. This is normal. Life is busy. We have work, family, stress, and many thoughts in our mind. So sometimes we plan to practice English, but at night we realize that we did not practice at all. And then we feel a little sad. We feel guilty. We think, "Today I did nothing for my English." But my friend, please do not be hard on yourself. This happens to everyone. Even people who are very serious about learning forget sometimes. The important thing is not to be perfect. The important thing is to find simple ways to remind yourself. So what can we do? One very simple and powerful idea is to set a small alarm on your phone to remind you to speak in English. Not a big alarm that disturbs you, just a gentle reminder. When the alarm rings, speak a few sentences in English. It can be only 30 seconds or 1 minute. That is enough. In the beginning, the alarm will help you remember your practice. But after some days, when speaking English becomes your habit, you will not need the alarm anymore. Your mind will automatically remind you. This is how habits are built. First, we need reminders. Then we need fewer reminders. And finally, we do not need reminders at all. Think about waking up in the morning. At first, you needed an alarm. Now, many people wake up before the alarm rings. That is the power of habit. And English can also become like that. Learning English is like earning money for your own life. If you do not earn money, you can survive for some time by taking a loan. You can ask money from your friends, family, relatives, or even from a bank. This can help in difficult times, but it is only temporary. One day you must return that money. One day you must start earning for yourself. If you always take money from others, you feel weak. You feel dependent. You feel worried. But when you earn your own money, you feel confident. You feel strong. You feel independent. In the same way, when you do not know how to say something in English, you can take help from AI or from other people, and that is okay. This is not wrong. AI can help you make sentences. Friends can correct you. Teachers can guide you. This help is good. This help is important, but it is still temporary. If you always depend on others to speak, your confidence will not grow. You may know many words, but when the time comes to speak, you may still feel nervous. So what is the best way? Use help, but also build your own ability. Just like you may take a loan in the beginning and later start earning, in the same way, take help in English, but slowly try to speak by yourself. When you earn daily, you can use your money whenever you need. You do not need to wait. You do not need to ask anyone. In the same way, when you learn English daily, you can use it anytime. Words come naturally. Confidence grows naturally, and this feeling is powerful. Small daily practice is stronger than big plans. Learn English step by step, little by little, day by day. Do not expect magic in one night. Language needs time. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Daily practice builds brain connections. Your brain learns patterns. Your brain learns sounds. Your brain learns confidence. When practice is only once a week, the brain forgets. So choose small daily practice instead of big weekly plans. Shadowing, a powerful method. Now let me share a powerful method called shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. You listen and you repeat immediately. You copy the sound, speed, and style. For example, if the speaker says, "Today is a beautiful day and I feel happy," you repeat, "Today is a beautiful day and I feel happy." At first, it may not be perfect. That is okay. Shadowing improves 3 things: listening, pronunciation, confidence. You can do it anywhere: walking, traveling, or sitting alone. Even 5 minutes daily can change your English. Fear, mistakes, and confidence. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They fear judgment, but most people are busy with their own lives, and mistakes mean learning. If a child falls while walking, we say, "Good, try again." Say the same to yourself. "Good, I am trying." Talk about your real life in English. Use real feelings. This builds natural fluency. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Do not wait for confidence.
Create confidence by speaking. Small reminders, big results. Using reminders is smart, not weak. 3 reminders a day with 1 minute speaking equals real progress. Small actions grow into strong habits. One day, you will speak naturally without fear. Okay, my friend, remember this. You do not need to be perfect to start. You only need to start to become better. Do not wait for perfect time. Do not wait for perfect confidence. Start now. Speak one small sentence today, another tomorrow. Keep going. Some days will be easy. Some days will be hard, but growth happens when you continue. Believe in yourself. Your effort matters. Your journey matters. Thank you for giving time to your growth. I am proud of you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing, and never forget, you can do this.